Hello dear traders, you're watching the latest weekly Forex and stock markets review with me, Anna Kasatkina. Last Friday, the US Stock Indices grew amid strong report from Hewlett-Packard and news from Germany about improved business confidence. Dow Jones Index lifted 119.95 points or 0.9%, closing at 14,000.57 points. The indicator gained 0.1% for the week. Two-day decrease was followed by Blue Chips Index rally, the most significant one since the end of December. Having offset some of the losses incurred during the two last sessions, Standard & Poor's 500 added 13.18 points or 0.9%, having climbed to 1,515.6 points. At the end of the week, S&P 500 lost 0.3%. The technology-oriented Nasdaq Composite accumulated 30.33 points, or 1%, to 3,161.82 points. It has lost 1% on the week. Bullish bias on the Wall Street was attributed in part to a better-than-expected IFO business climate indicator, which grew in February to 107.4, the highest reading since the last April. Besides, in the course of the private meeting with bond dealers and investors, the head of the Fed, Ben Bernanke, downplayed worries that banks' monetary easing policy has fueled asset bubbles. Bloomberg News provided such information, citing anonymous sources. Now the market participants are waiting for official confirmation of Bernanke's view during his presentation in the Congress this week. Hewlett-Packard stocks demonstrated the best result within Dow Index, having added 12%. The news about company's quarter revenue, which exceeded expectations, as well as better outlook for company's profit for the second fiscal year, have contributed to stock's growth. HP's net profit decreased by 16% to $1,232 million or 63 cents per share in the first fiscal quarter from $1,468 million or 73 cents per share for the same period a year earlier. The company's revenue was 6% less and totaled $28,355 million. Nevertheless, the result was above the forecast, which generated shares growth. The analyst said the profit could hit 71 cents per share with the revenue of $27.9 billion. Apart from this, Abercrombie & Fitch quotes dropped, most of all among S&P 500 components. After climbing to their maximum at $85 in October of 2007, the company's stocks lost about 50%. The quotes shed 8% on Friday amid the reports about losses incurred for the first quarter, while the experts predicted the profit of 16 cents per share. Moreover, Abercrombie's outlook for the whole year is also weak. On Friday, the retailer announced that it estimates the annual profit to rise to $3.45 per share, missing the economist's forecast of $3.67 per share. This was the latest review of Forex and stock markets, prepared for you by our InstaForex team. Thank you and goodbye.